Hello, Crazy Talk Animator 3 and Cartoon Animator 4. Today I would like to show you how to do a water flow. Yeah, like a river flow, this one. Okay, you can use the same technique. Okay, just flow the river and flow the water the same. So I use only one water flow, this one, okay, to make you understand how I create this. And the river is create the same, okay. And just use one of this water flow and the river flow, okay. So today I show you how to do this, okay. And this you can do by yourself because this similar animate the same, okay. I delete this, okay, too. And I would like to create new one in here, okay. I have this image already, and I use the same technique, or I'll pivot image the same, okay. And just use this as sample to draw. Okay, I have one sample. You can use my sample. I already providing download this one already. You can download or capture and draw as this image. Okay. Now I use pen tool to draw. Okay, just click P, written from tool. Okay, like that, and click this image and use the the color that you would like to draw. The first I use this color. Okay. Okay, and draw rock like this. Okay, any style that you like to draw rock. Okay, that like that. I close this one to check. Okay, and I draw the black one. Sorry, change. Okay, and for enter, and for another like this line. Okay, rock. Okay. Any line that you draw, okay, is according to you. Okay, this line is black. I use color black one, okay. And I merge all together like this, okay. This one we can rasterize or use one by one like this, okay, and just put like that. Okay, close this. And we use this, just a little bit drag down. I use P to select this, okay, and use arrow key like that. Okay, and this one the same, a little bit up. Okay, and this leg, because it make merge together, easy to drag it. Okay. Okay, and two of these different color you cannot merge. If you merge, it look like this. Okay, Control Z. Just leave like that. Okay, and another one. So I would like to draw this one. Okay, any place that you can put this one. Okay, and just change color to this color. Okay. Okay, I got this wrong. And this we need line two of this. Okay, we need line black like this. Okay, just click P and click this line. Enter. You will see we get that line. Okay, and okay, this one need a big line. I'll use this inside. Okay. And we draw another round, so click P, this. Okay, and another one, this. Okay, and bring behind this. Okay, let's check. Okay, and another one in front like this. Okay, just drag in front of this. Check. Okay, and enter. So the small one, this one. Okay, and change. Just drag up. Okay, this one, and this one. Okay, check it. Okay, this has no line. We check this. Okay, enter like that. So water. This we can leave like that. Okay, and we would like to test if we import to. Okay, if we import to, what's happen? Okay, Control Shift S and test the waterfall like S1. Okay, test. Click copy and save. Okay. Okay, we'd like to test this. Okay, what look like this, and if I get error or something, waterfall S, waterfall S. Okay, open. Just waiting. Okay, and it look like this. Okay, when you put like that, okay, put like that, it look like this. Okay. Okay, I want this run fast when my computer run. Okay, image size. I would like to use only 1000 times. Okay, click OK. The same process, because in when zoom in like this, you see a pixel, but you can zoom out or do more pixel is okay. But I think maybe around 150. Okay, you see the pixel. Okay, I think it can use now. If you want the higher image, 2000. Okay, 2000 and click OK. Okay, I think this work now. Okay. Okay, and more. I need this rock. Okay, and put here P. Okay. I draw has no animate first. This one. Okay, and start one another. This. Okay. If it's the same, I can merge Control E. Okay. And this color. So I click here and just draw this color. It will convert to that color automatically. You see? Okay. And this color also. Okay, easy. And use this color. Just draw. Okay. Okay, and we check it. Okay, I think no need to draw any line. Okay, that's all. Okay, and water flow. So water flow is only normal image. Okay, and I will change that mean the color letter. Okay, and like that. Okay, check it. Okay, and change color to. Okay, open this one to get the color that I want. This color. Okay, and the black one, so stroke one, I no need to use it. Enter, and you see. Okay, and another one, so I draw, ready to draw. Just draw. Okay, it's easy and you know how to do it. Okay, and drag this to behind of the rock and everything. Okay, like that, and check again. You see, it's look like that. Sorry. Okay. I finished the water flow, so I would like to check this. Okay, just drag up a little like that. You can adjust. Okay, everything you can adjust inside here and look like that. Okay. Now I draw this line. So this we need animate this line like fall down this one and this one. Okay, and we need to group this. Okay, Control G. Okay, and sorry, and we need pick this one. Okay, to group for well WAVE well E or not. Okay, sorry for my spell one. And I draw this color. Okay, I start to draw this like that. Okay. And I use this color, the same color. Okay, and like that, enter. So I have one well, so one well like that, and I would like to do another well. So enter like that. Just Control G, Control G. Okay, Control G. That means this well is down like a little bit. Control G and click this one and just click Control to drag down. Okay, you see this? You see like this? Okay. Control G. Okay, like this. Control G again. Drag the middle point. Control G. Okay. Now like this. Control G. A bit slow. Control G and down. Okay. And for this one, Control T to adjust this. Okay, gap. And this one, enter. And the second one, Control T. And the second one, Control T. Drag. Okay. And this one, Control T. Drag. Okay, and don't forget to click Control also. Okay, you need to adjust this. Okay, up a little bit like this. Sorry. When you select, okay, like that. Drag up, and this middle point only one. Okay, like didn't slow, fast, slow. Okay, slow, fast, slow. It's slow like this. Okay. And we have this one. Okay, and this very one. Okay, we sell and would like to test. Okay, testing is important. Why I recommend use Photoshop? Because it's fast. If you want to test, you do everything with this. Okay, if Adobe Animate is support this, or Affinity is support with design, that means export from this to Adobe Animate or Affinity, yeah, or Illustrator. Okay, you can use that program. I will use that program also, because this program is export to PSD. So I use this only one, and it can import to this faster. Okay, and I test again. Okay, just click back. Sorry. Okay, and delete this. Sorry, outside and delete. Okay, and delete this. And we need to import this. Okay, from, and the last one. Okay, WaterFall test. It's pixel 1500. I think it's more faster. You see, and just go back and test it. Go and test it. Okay, you see, it's work now. You see, and we can change any element. Okay, and we have one. So I would like another. Just hide this one. Okay, hide is okay, no problem, and create another one. Just well 02. Okay, well 02, and I want to draw like this line. You see this line, and I draw click P. Okay, and start up from this. Okay, one and two, three, for maybe not like that. Sorry, and just use to draw two. Sorry, test it. 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2 like this, and we can merge together. Control E. Okay, and change this river. Okay, look like this. Okay, do the same process. Control J. 1. Okay, and drag outside like this. Click Control. Okay, like here. Okay, and you can use Control and R to copy. Control and R to copy like this. Okay, and Control R. It's faster like this. Okay, and we need to adjust this up a little bit and this up like this. Okay, that means slow, fast. This middle, fast. It's slow, slow down, and slow down. Okay, slow down, slow down. Okay. Control S. Okay, I have another well, so like this. Okay, and I use 5 frame, 7 frame, and another one like well. Okay, open this well like this well. Okay, the middle here splash this one. Okay, the splash we do the same. We need to draw this. Okay, and need to open another one like that. Okay, and just draw. Okay, like splash water then. Okay, any style that you can use. Okay, like that. Okay, I change, click P, click this one and click okay that one and click copy and use this color. Okay, and we need the same. If you want more, Control J. Okay, Control T, and we drag out a little bit. Okay, a little bit. Okay, so okay, Control J. Sorry, Control J, Control T. Okay, up, down, down, up, right on. Okay, Control J, Control T, up, a little bit, and down. Okay, and Control J again, Control T, and up more, and this more. Okay, maybe we would like to see this. Okay, like that. Control J, Control T, up. Okay, enter. Control J, Control T, with up. Z, Control J, Control T, and with up. Okay, and would like to test this. Control S. Okay, and this will WAVE03. I mean 23. Okay, so okay, import test again. Rob testing WaterFall test. If I do small, it's very fast upload load here. If you want better quality, just change this image size. Okay, you will get the best quality. Okay, I will show you the best quality. This quality, right? You see the quality like this. If I use image like image size like 4,000 times, you see, enter. You will see this image is look beautiful, look good. You see, okay, it's different. You see, it's different. Yeah, okay. Now I just do around 1,000. Okay, it load faster. 1,050, 1,000. Okay, enter. It's different a little bit. If you want to run fast, you need to get small one. Excuse me. Okay, we need to test this water. Okay, and water test this one. See, sun like that. It looping like that. Okay, a little bit like that. Okay, and we have that well. So all of this. Okay, I think I lost one, maybe. Lost one, or maybe this oscillate, or this one. Where one it need merge the main group again. Okay, I try to do this. I think it's okay instead because I lost another well. You see, another well, and I want to check this. Okay, what happened? And this only one and group. Okay, I would like to group one more onto G like that. Where two, I need to group one more onto G. Okay, and this one want to group one more onto G. Okay, click save again. We're testing. Okay, you can test like me and delete one. Water flow test. You see, 1,000 times is a lot faster. Okay, and okay, this what's problem. Okay, undo, Control C, and Z. I don't know to what's happened this one. Okay, this well is up like that. Maybe I not use dummy. Okay, I try to use dummy. Okay, and drag this dummy. Okay, and click the red one. Okay, and use this dummy. Okay, drag inside pivot. Okay, and this dummy one, and Control J 3 times 1, 2, 3, and call this well. Okay, just copy it to this well. Okay, copy to, and this well 3, copy to. Okay, and click save again, and okay, go back to and delete this. Okay, and try to import a WaterFall test. It's still not looking WaterFall one, two. Okay, this one. Okay, it's okay, no problem. Because it's behind this well, okay. Share. Okay, just change well. So we would like to change this up, okay. And this well is here, okay. And I want this well one. Okay, and view name 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and drag up this one up 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, like that. And this also, so we give a name 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, and drag this up because it below this one you cannot see. 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, save. Okay, again try to test again. Okay, and this process will help you. Okay, and just the technique I use to animate that one. It's take long time, but it's perfect if you want to create. Click F. Okay, this one you see, you can see. Okay, you can animate one by one the same like that. Okay, and we have another one well, so we need to hide all. Okay, hide all this one. Okay, and okay, I put name this for water. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, it's 8. Okay, there's no problem, just delete one. That's okay, no problem. 8. Okay, I use only 7 frame. Everything I use 7 frame. Okay, control S again. Okay, and for well, so I draw the same. Okay, and find this one for 5. Okay, well 5 5. Okay, draw is simple, just click P and draw a well around this. Okay, and we go next a well. Okay, and next well or 3. Okay, control. Okay, and just adjust this down like this. Control T, down. It's easy to adjust when we use that. Okay, and control J if you don't need to draw. Okay, just drag it. Okay, you can no need. And just draw it one more. Draw it like okay, okay, this one 24 up like okay. Okay, this merge together 24 and merge 26. Okay, and we can adjust one by one. That means correct place like drag. Okay, like that. Like okay, it's easy. Okay, and this one maybe a little bit dirty. Okay, and adjust some point. Okay, and this also and like and drag up like okay, and drag this point up. Okay, and this also it's close together. That means C frame is slow. Okay, C frame slow, and the middle point is fast. This one point. Okay, from 27, 28, and 29. Okay, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and merge together already. And next frame. Okay, and far away from this one. Here. Okay, far away. Okay, and just drag, click V to drag down a little bit like this. And this one up. Okay, Control T to adjust point. Okay, like that. And with okay, I give it name this 1 2 3 4. Okay, this need merge. Okay, and draw more and click P draw this like here. Okay, this a little bit up, this one. Click P, click Control to select this. Okay, and drag up a little bit like this. The easy one, okay, and merge together. Call file. Okay, file. Sorry for. Oh, we have file. Control Z. For this one, file. Sorry, file and 6. Well, 6. This one close. Okay. 6 and 6. Okay, well, 6. Control E. Select Control E. Sorry. Control E. Well, 6 and 7. So the last one. The last one here. Control Z. Control Z. Undo. Okay, the last one. Here, the last one. Okay, and this one also. Okay, this one merge together. 7. Select and Control E, merge. Okay, 7. Control F to save. Okay, and select all of this. You change the color to this color. Okay, enter. You see, this already changed color. Okay. And this verify, so Control J this one, call verify. 4, sorry, 1 2 3 4, and this one, okay, 4. Okay, Control S. And we have already this one. Okay, and just open this. Okay, and import again. We finish now, just animate inside. Okay, and waterfall test. This remember this image 1000 times. Okay, if you need more quality, 2000 times or 4000, but make your computer slower. Okay. Excuse me. Okay, we're ready to animate this one. And the first frame, okay, first frame, and we need excuse me, a sprite editor. Okay, and for this one like this, where from this, like 2 sorry, 3 4 5, you see, easy, 6 7. Okay, and for this one, for the first frame, okay, don't forget 1. Okay, 1 down. Okay, 7 from 7, 6 5, see, 4 3 2 1. Okay, easy. And the first frame also another, and the water, this one, zoom in, water. Okay, and we check which one the first. Okay, this first 1 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, and for the first frame another, this one, splash water. Okay, which one first? This one, 7 1. Okay, 7 first. 1 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, play. Okay, when play, you see the water pass like that. Okay, it's go together, it's no problem. and I need this motion fast, so I click this one, okay, and right click to export, okay, just click OK. And just apply right click to action like that, okay, and motion click loop, just drag like this, okay, you see, and play, you see. Okay, and the water flow you can draw one more here, okay, that mean water a little bit down, I mean down this point, okay, a little bit down, and water a little bit up, it's okay, and you can add one more frame here to here, it's okay, no problem, look like that. Okay, and you know how to do this, okay, it's very easy. And when you are happy with this animate, so a frame is enough one, so you see, okay, you can use this animate. Okay, and after that you need to collect again, okay, from the first frame, this one, okay, and click shift to the last frame, okay, right click to add to action and action 3, okay. Okay, and right click to edit and delete this one, okay, and you get this one when the first frame like this, okay, when you add to crop and click plus only, you will get this one, and when you drag, okay, it's automatically get the action here, okay, and call waterfall, okay, test, sorry, for, okay, enter. You see, it's very fast also, okay, drag and drop because it's 1000 pixel time, okay, this fast, very fast, you see, and just when drag and drop like this, just play, you see, it running, okay, it's so fast, okay, and you have the waterfall, okay, eh, okay, right click to remove, okay, right click to remove, so it will lose animate, just right click again to animate like that, okay, you see, fast, easy. When you zoom in, you see it a little bit blur, you see, a little bit blur, so 1000 time. When you zoom a little bit more, it gone, okay. I think it's enough, the quality is good for animate, okay, it's no problem, it's sometimes it's good for animate like that, you see, it's a little bit blur and look good, I think. Okay, it's according to you, you can use a flash or another um, that can good to look like a flash or something vector that help, I think it's good for me when I use vector. This called vector in Photoshop, okay, and just rasterize this. When import is rasterize, when rasterize time 1000 time, okay, is look like this. If a 2000 time, I think this one maybe 2000 or 4000 time, a little bit slow, you see, when drag and drop like this, a little bit slow, but the quality is good one, you see, slow, uh you see the quality, look, zoom in, yeah, look good, right, okay, this is good, like vector file, okay, you see it different, small and big. Okay, delete one, uh is according to you, if you like this, if you like a vector, you can import vector one by one, but I think this one is good, I mean we can testing from the Photoshop, go to Cartoon Animator, yes, testing everything that we think, oh, we can import or something like that, we can test like that. Okay, I hope it's help you. And the river we do the same, okay, just draw the river Okay, you have a river download already and you would like to draw. Okay, just do the same as I process this river. Okay. Thank you all guys. Thank you Cartoon Animator 4 and Chrissy Animator 3. And if you not yet subscribed, so please subscribe to my channel. Okay. I put okay, you can download this river inside my description with another video. I put the link to that video, and inside description have this probe to download, and you can use example to do animate inside as I do this. Okay, thank you all. Bye bye. And oh, sorry. And one more thing about motion sleep, pause to sleep or wake up. So simple. Just use the okay the last time. Use the actor, one actor like okay this guy. Motion that you use, so you use this one. Okay, to the key motion edit key. Okay, and just rotate this guy. Okay, here, and you use rotate like this. Get it. You can unlock this and rotate like a sleep like this. Okay, and you just close eye, something like that. When you already just collect clip. Okay, and you will apply, it will post to sleep like this. Just adjust and something like that. Okay, and left hand like that. This sleep. Okay, post to sleep and a little bit up like this, and just click close eye. So this one have a motion. Okay, close, that means we need move. Sorry, I would like to find this one first and click eye, left eye close, right eye left and right, so we can click now close like that. Okay, this one sleep. Okay, motion sleep, you can do like that, and after that, okay, you can collect clip like this. Okay, just right click and add to action. Okay, add to this guy. Okay, after that, you see this guy stand right, and right click to action, start to sleep. Okay, sorry, it's a bit slow. But you need to find the place that sleep here. Okay, and I would like to add again here, start sleep, and click this guy, click this one. Okay, and you would like to check this motion like a sleep. Okay, this one here, maybe no need. Okay, the close eye here. Okay, and you can collect again this one, start. Okay, and pause to sleep like that, add to action again. Okay, and I remove on. Okay, and just right click to add action, this one. It will pause to sleep like that. When you animate, just go to sleep and use the camera here, that this guy will sleep. When sleep, okay, and when wake up or stand, it need to stand like this. Okay, and you can use another character from this and just switch the camera to there. Okay, like that. Okay, this sleep. Okay, again this guy, camera sleep. Because this is the last time, just show the user that he want to know sleep action like that. Okay, and remove. Okay, the camera to there. Okay, and this guy stand back up, like I mean stand or something, do like that. Okay, this guy sleep, go to sleep. Okay, and the camera, so we need the camera for this. Okay, and first frame, and this guy. Okay, delete. No, action sleep. Okay, a moment that we rotate. Okay, and so example, this guy sleep like this. Okay, and again sleep. Okay, after sleep we can use like Z. Okay, Z to make it sleep, and after that we switch the camera when you need to back up like a stand to this. You see, stand talking, want to back up, like do action. Okay, like show hand, or do this one. Oh, like that. Oh, back up like that. And then this hand like this. Okay, and this setup. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. We click motion to see, and just show. Oh, okay, you see. Okay, like that. Okay, and you can use mocap or animate, or use this to animate also fast puppet. Okay, this is the last uh, uh, time, so just explain all about this. Okay, when do the animate, you see. Okay, when do the animate, the looking here. Okay, just at the circle inside here. If you don't want to look at this, just click close and unclose. Okay, and click close. Okay, when it made it, okay, you see it switch to this. Okay, like that. Back up. Okay, guys, thank you all. And if you're not yet subscribed, just subscribe to my channel. Yes, and you would like to get a new video and some new character and some pro for free. Yes. Okay, thank you again, guys. Yes, bye bye. See you next time. And I would like to do next about the tree. Yes, a tree, add three new tree and animate some tree. Yes, like that. Okay. And for the river, you can do yourself. Okay. Yes. Thank you. Bye bye again.